Hey guys, so what's up, my dudes? Okay, so right now I'm gonna have my friend Andrew videotape for a little bit. Okay. And so, okay, here. One sec, guys. Say hi. Hi. Okay, videotape. Okay. So, guys, today I made something really cool, okay? Watch this magic trick. So, 3 skateboard bearings, okay? Three. 1 second, guys. Yep. Don't aim it at me. I gotta say something. Okay, guys, watch this. In 1, 2, 3. What? I made a fidget spinner, guys. Look how sick that is. Okay, did they see it? Okay, come on, let's go outside with this. Hey, you want to make a YouTube video? Mom in the car. What the heck? I have a YouTube channel.
You do not.
Yeah, I do. Do I have a YouTube channel? You're not exposed to do not do it. Nope.
Does he have a YouTube channel? No.
You're gonna die. Sprung out. No.